Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to print multiple pictures on one sheet of paper. Friends, if you want to print two or more pages on one side of paper, then on your computer, like in my case, I want to print my Word file. So I will open my Word file. Here I have some pictures in this file. There are total 4 pictures in 4 pages. So first I need to save this file in PDF format. So click on File. Now here click on Save As. Now click on Browse to give the location to save the file. I will save my file on desktop. Now from here you need to change the format. Now select PDF. Now click on Save. Now here on my desktop it has saved my file in PDF format. Now open your file in Acrobat Reader. It has opened my file in Acrobat Reader. Now here I need to again print this document. So I will press Ctrl P on my keyboard. Now on your computer PDF printer should be installed. Now click on Properties. Now in Properties under Layout, here you can select Pages per sheet. Now from here you can select numbers, like I want 2 sheets on one page. So I am selecting 2. Now it will print 2 pages on one sheet. After selecting, click on OK. Now click on OK again. Now save the file. Now it has printed my document. So as you can see, now there are 2 pages and per page it has printed 2 images. This is page number 1 and this is page number 2. So friends, like this you can very easily print multiple pictures on one sheet of paper. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.